welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome, come on in. Today I'm going to be having a Primark haul. I haven't really done a solid Primark haul before, I don't think, but obviously if you're in the UK you know Primark and the rest of like shops, but you know, we really predominantly care about Primark here. Has opened back up and I wandered into town to do some other stuff and there was absolutely no queue. I'd kind of been craving to go, so I was like, let's just go, and I brought a few things and I thought I'd share them with you. I didn't go as crazy as I probably could have because I was like, let me just rein it in for a sec. Let me not get too excited and spend all my money at once. So there's just a few things, so let's just dive on in. So first up, I got a pair of like lounge shorts. I didn't really realize like how large the extra large was, and I probably could have done with just the large, but I'm like, they're just lounge shorts and they've got a little, oh, it's a faux drawstring. That's really annoying. Okay. I thought the drawstring was proper, but it's a faux drawstring. Either way, they're just like lounge shorts, so I thought why not just like grab them, and these cost £13. I got a pink pair. There was a black pair and a grey pair as well, but I already have black shorts and grey shorts to lounge around the house in, so I thought I'd get a nice little pink pair, and for the summer as well, you know, why not? I'm going to stand a little to this side as well so that you guys can see the try-ons over there. But yeah, just a little pair of pink frilly shorts. There wasn't a top as far as I could see, unless they kept the tops separately. But yeah, just a pair of little pink lounge shorts. Then I got a little khaki ribbed bralette kind of thing. They had this in black and white and I think pink as well. I always feel weird about wearing pink. I know I just bought pink shorts, but like pink outside because I've got orange hair. I don't know if it clashes too much, but I thought I'd just try the khaki anyway. I got this in a large and it was £3. I love little crop tops and little bralette. Predominantly most of my hauls contain some form of this, and I love like little spaghetti straps as well. But yeah, I like this as well because the bottom is like double stitch, so it's a little bit more firm. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go back and get black and white one as well, probably the pink, because they're only £3. This is the thing with Primark, I'm like, oh my god, let's just get it in every colour because it's only like £1. Ugh. Next up is a swimsuit. I got this to wear as a bodysuit and a swimsuit if I go on holiday, but predominantly a bodysuit. I did get a size 18 in this and it was £6 because I don't know if it's anyone else, Primark sizing is just so weird. Like I have dresses from them in a small, I have tops from them in a medium, and then I have to buy things in like an 18, some things in a 14, and it's just, I can never understand, so I kind of just look at the material and guesstimate. But yeah, it's just basically an orange rust. It's not ribbed, well it is a bit ribbed, but it's kind of like just like swimsuit kind of material anyway. And I just thought this as a bodysuit, tucked in some jeans and like a denim jacket. I love double denim. Thought this would be really nice as like a bodysuit. I love wearing swimsuits as bodysuits because one, the fabric is so nice, two, they're super comfortable, and three, they're a little bit more firm than like standard bodysuits. So I've done it for years, so I highly recommend trying that. Then I picked up a pair of little booty shorts just to like work out in at home. You ain't never catching SophieBBeauty in the gym in little short shorts like that. I'm not, there's not enough surgeries in the world. Just to kind of like work out in at home, lounge around in, and to wear with like t-shirt dresses, because they're quite short, because they're quite a bit shorter than biker shorts. T-shirt dresses that I don't want to see biker shorts hanging out the bottom of, these ones would be great, and like for chafing and everything. I got these in a large and they are £4. They did do a few style of these, and there was a neon pair that I really liked. I think I'm gonna have to go back. We're gonna have to go back. There's gonna be probably a part 2 to this. Next up, so this is the real reason that I went to Primark. This was the thing that I was missing. This was the thing that I was like craving for, and all I kind of spoke about to Tom in lockdown for Primark is flip-flops. Now I love flip-flops to clean with because I just feel like they don't pick up too much dirt, they don't spread dirt around, and like when you're mopping you can just walk over and everything's fine. These were 90p and I got them in a large and they're like a neon colour. There were quite a few shades in the 90p range. But I love, like, flip-flops to clean. You will never go back to anything else. And just a super boring one, I got some oval wipe-offs. These were 100 of them for 90p. I usually get them from Superdrug, but I saw these for 90p for 100 and I was like, we're gonna get these. Next up, I got a little cardigan because my go-to cardigan is in the wash, but it's a grey one and it's quite thick, which is really nice in like autumn time and chillier spring days. But now I say it, but like it's like raining and like grey skies, but now it's getting a little bit warmer. I just wanted a lighter weight cardigan. This one is kind of like an oatmeal shade. It's a bit of a midi length, you'll see on the try on, and it's ribbed. I love ribbed fabric. I think it's one of my favorites because it really just looks the most flattering. That's what I feel like personally. I got this in an extra large and it was £10. Probably could have just done this in a large, but I just feel like for a little bit more of comfort and slouchiness, like this, a little crop top and like denim jeans is a vibe, you know, just oh yeah, and it's got a slit on the side. I didn't realise that. I don't know how I feel about that, but it's okay. And then I've only got a couple of other things left. I saw this when I walked in straight away, and I was umming and ahhing about it, and then I saw it at another location and I was like, right, okay, you're just gonna go in the bag. That's what I do. I feel like if it's meant to be, I'll see it again and then I'll buy it. It is just a midi denim skirt. Dead serious, I thought this buttoned all the way down, but these are, towards the bottom are faux buttons. If this was a button all the way down, this would have been so nice to have like the bottom couple open and like showing the legs. So I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it. I do like it, but I would have really loved if the bottom buttons would have undone and like revealed legs, if that makes sense. But it's just like a mid-wash denim, and then it comes with like a little denim belt as well. I don't know if I'd keep that, but we'll see. I got this in an 18 again because I just could not trust Primark sizing, and I could have got a 16, and it's got a really good stretch to it. The thing that I look for the most in denim is stretch. I love a good stretch. And this was £15. So it wasn't actually that badly priced, to be fair. Does anyone think, do you think I could just like, I reckon I could open up the stitching and then make it come out all the way. Because honestly, I would love nothing more than that. Then this, I don't think I would ever get rid of this skirt unless it got too big or too small for me. Let me know if you guys think, if anyone's good with like seamstress stuff. And then the last thing that I got, I do not know if I've ever had a pair of Primark jeans, so there's a first time for everything, is a pair of skinny jeans. I got these in an 18 again. They've got a good stretch. I haven't actually tried these on, so I don't know if they fit perfectly or what. And these cost £15. They are a 4 button down. I feel like it looks like I've tried these on, but I haven't. I hope someone hasn't tried these on. Oh yeah, a 4 button down, mid-wash denim as well. The bottom is frayed, and there's, look at that for a stretch. If you've got big calves like me, I know that you already look for a good stretch in denim as well, which is why I usually don't shop at places like Primark. Not for snobbery, but because I just don't feel like their jeans would ever really fit someone like me, who's a bit bigger, who's a bit more curvier, and has big calves as well. Yeah, I thought not bad. For like £15, we'll just see if Fashion Nova gets replaced or not. Awkward. So that is everything that I got from Primark. Like I said, I didn't want to go too crazy because I'm still not allowed to work. So when I'm allowed to work, there'll probably be another one of these, but we'll see. Just depends on the government. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, because honestly it helps me out so much. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more hauls, I will leave a playlist down below. I like to shop, I love fashion, if you cannot tell. And until next time, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.